eating upstairs. Oh, hello, Riley.
Hello, but I just visit the viewers and I don't know who they are.
This is Riley's and this is mine. My plate is so small.
Yeah, because you are so.
Kain mo. You have a
Am I that small?
Yeah, you're 7 years old and I'm 8.
Oh. At least I can eat it. Wait, I sound young. Riley, you have a big plate but a small spoon. I got a small plate but a big spoon.
I think we got opposite.
Oh, yummy. Guys, just go to sleep. Go to sleep. Okay.
Na kayo magkalat dyan, ha?
Guys, this is our old pet, right? This is our old pet.
No.
Okay yan. Kuya, gusto mo yan? Gusto niya manghang na suka, Diyo.
So guys,
Sayang. Ba't niya papakain, no?
Okay.
I think
Kain ko kay Guyo.
I'm gonna show you my bread. Everyone, do not eat this. It's because it's made out of paper.
It's made by you, right?
It's made by me.
Kain ko.
And it says Cute Bakery. You wanna see the bread?
Yeah, yeah.
But first, can everyone just like and subscribe?
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
My mom said yeah.
Come on, everyone subscribe. Okay, they subscribe and oh my gosh. Look what I just made. Isn't it so nice?
By the way, this is actually
Okay, here your egg back. I'm sorry.
Kuya. By the way, this is made by template. Guys, by the way, this is actually printed, but Riley made it, but he didn't draw it. It's printed, right?
Yeah, it's printed. It was in a template. Check out. What? Sorry, get. Okay.
Oh, mongoose.
Check out a channel called Penguin Paper. It will show you how to make it.
Yeah, penguin paper. If you want,
penguin paper.
penguin.
Okay, never mind. Okay, so we're just gonna put it back.
Oh, penguin.
By the way, it's nighttime, so we're eating dinner.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Nice meeting you.
That's why you.
It's nice meeting you. So, can you let us get 50,000 million subscribers?
How are we gonna supposed to reach that? We're literally kids, and there's a grown up right there.
IDK.
Hindi mo na, Inday, mag-load ka para magamit natin yung TV sa loob.
Oh,
Do not eat this.
bye bye, guys.